What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Lisa's Food Addiction. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. In today's video, guys, we are going to be making Homestyle Chili with cornbread waffles. This recipe right here, y'all, is the perfect dish to add to your weeknight table, a rendition on the classic chili with cornbread. I hope you guys are ready to get cooking. If you guys are new to Lisa's Food Addiction, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on that post notification bell so that you do not miss a video upload from this channel. Like, comment, and share this video with all of your family and friends. Let's get cooking, y'all. To get started with this recipe, you guys, we are first going to begin making our home-style chili. So what we want to do first is go ahead and grab a yellow onion and a green bell pepper. We're also going to grab a knife to begin slicing and dicing our yellow onion and green bell pepper. Once we have those items diced up, we're going to put them to the side on a plate. Go ahead and grab a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're going to add that to a pan along with our green bell pepper and yellow onion. Once we have those items in our pan, we're just going to grab a spoon and begin mixing them up. They're going to start heating up and sizzling in all of that vegetable oil. Once that has begun, we're going to grab our ground beef, and for this recipe you can use lean ground beef or the norm, your choice. Once we have that beef in there, we're going to start breaking it up with our spoon. We want it to start browning so that we can move on with our home-style chili. Our ground beef has begun to brown up very nicely. We are going to continue to stir this as it cooks along. Our bell peppers and yellow onions are going to continue to get soft and soak up all of that juice and flavor. Once the ground beef has begun to brown, it's time to season this up, honey. Y'all knew it was coming. We have to season our food, season each layer because we want to produce the most flavor as possible. So we're going to go in with some chili powder, paprika, cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and we're just going to continue to let this cook. Let all of those seasonings marinate into that meat and those peppers and onions. Now that our ground beef, peppers, and onions have soaked up all of that flavor we added into the pan with those seasonings, we are going to add in a couple of teaspoons of tomato paste and a few tablespoons of water. Then, you guys, we are going to go in with some beautiful pinto beans and kidney beans. Yes, y'all, I told you guys this is a home-style chili, meaning this is a comfort food, traditional, stick to your ribs, as my grandma would say, chili. Once you have added in those pinto beans and kidney beans, honey, we are going to continue to mix this up. We are going to go in with our canned diced tomatoes. Once you have all of your tomatoes into that beautiful, delicious, flavorful home-style chili, yes, y'all better hype up your food, honey. If you want to know how people have all of these bomb recipes, everything they make tastes good, you gotta hype up your food. You have to let your food know you are going to be amazing. You are going to be delicious. You are going to fill my stomach. Yes, y'all, our beautiful chili is on its way. It is almost there. The last thing we are going to do is we are going to go in with some Hunt's tomato sauce. We are going to be using Hunt's tomato sauce rather than a store-bought tomato sauce because it's going to add a little bit more flavor, a little bit more ooh-wee to the dish. It's going to benefit what we are trying to do, which is create a very flavorful, very delicious home-style chili. Now that we have added in that Hunt's tomato sauce, we're just going to go back in with a couple of more seasonings just to make sure that our home-style chili is fire. We're just going to re-season it with everything that we added in earlier. So remember, we went in with a pinch of cumin, chili powder, paprika. We're also going to go in, of course, with onion powder and garlic powder. We're also going to add about a tablespoon of sugar just to balance out all of the acidity that has come into our dish from the tomato paste, the diced tomatoes, and the tomato sauce. Here you guys see that I am going to go in with one of my favorite pantry items, which is Tony's Creole seasoning, and like the bottle says, it really does taste great on anything. So I'm going to go in with that seasoning. I also added in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of water just to make sure that our chili has a great consistency, honey. We are not trying to have thicker than a Snicker chili, okay? That is not what we are doing. Once that homestyle chili is nothing less than perfect, y'all, we're going to go ahead and plop a lid on that bad boy, set it off to the side to simmer, and now it is time to make our cornbread waffles. So guys, these waffles right here are super crazy easy. They come together in about 5 to 6 minutes tops in the kitchen. And to lessen our time with cooking, we are going to start our cornbread waffles from a box cornbread mix. Go ahead and grab a nice size mixing bowl. We're going to drop in our cornbread mix. We're going to also go in with some honey, some melted butter, eggs, milk, salt, and sugar. We're going to make sure all of our flavors are balanced out well so that our cornbread waffles are nothing less than amazing. Once you have that waffle mixture combined, set it to the side and go ahead and grab your waffle maker. I am going to be using my favorite Belgian waffle maker to make these amazing cornbread waffles. Y'all, me and this waffle maker go back like 2 flats on a Cadillac. So make sure you grab a waffle maker that you can trust to make sure that your waffles are bomb. We're going to smother this waffle maker down in some salted butter. Once that butter is melted, go ahead and add your cornbread waffle mix to this waffle maker. Once your waffles are done, they are going to look just like this right here, y'all. They are going to be very golden, very buttery, very fluffy, very light, very airy. Yes, you guys, these waffles right here are amazing. They are the truth. And now that they are done, we are ready to bring this together. First, we're going to grab a very cute plate, just like I did right here, because you guys, you know, y'all know I like to dress up my food, okay? So we're going to add on our waffles. I went ahead and separated mine into 4s, but if you want to leave yours whole, feel free to do so. Once you have all of your waffles on the plate, we're going to top it with that amazing homestyle chili that has stayed warm because, you know, we put that lid on it, we put it on the stove, and we let it simmer until we were done with these waffles. It's all about the toppings, honey. Whatever toppings that you guys love to eat on your chili, you can do white onions, jalapenos. I love sour cream, sharp cheddar, and green onions, so that is what we are going to be doing today. And when I say I love sour cream, honey, extra sour cream, okay? Extra sour cream is what I am going to be doing for my chili and cornbread waffles, but as I said, feel free to add whatever toppings that your heart desire. And look at it, y'all. Ain't it so pretty? Look at what we done did. Yes, you guys, we did that. Cornbread waffles with homestyle chili. Everybody's going to be so impressed with this recipe. Your family's going to think you've been in the kitchen all day and you really ain't even did much of nothing, but that'll be our little secret, okay? This recipe is super easy, super delicious, and I hope you guys give it a try. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more cooking videos from this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, like, comment, and share this video with all of your friends and family. And I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Happy cooking!